Hey there fellow sleep seekers, my name is Adriana reporting for the Sleep Sherpa, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the purple plush pillow. Purple is known for creating one of the most innovative mattresses, I would have to say, I think in all of modern history. It is more than apparent that there's a lot of money that was put into their research and development as well as their marketing. They have some of the best and funniest marketing campaigns I've ever seen in my life. So they're a really unique company that tries to just do things differently. I would have to say that they really secured their space as being that unique alternative in the sleep industry. With the purple plush pillow, they wanted to do something a little bit differently. And so is it really, is there a need for something that is so traditional coming out of a company that is so innovative and unique? I'm not really sure. I mean, this is my first time holding this. I just unboxed it as you saw in the video. So I'm curious to see how this is different from everything else that I've tried. It is a customizable pillow, but not like the ones that we've seen and heard before. There's no foam you have to take in or put out, etc. This is actually really unique. So even though the pillow is a more traditional kind of pillow, the approach in and of itself is actually really different. So the way that you're supposed to adjust the firmness on this is by opening or closing zippers on the side. So it's really quite bizarre. I've never heard of a company with something like this before. If it's not the first time you've heard of it, do leave me a comment down below. I'm really curious if this was inspired by someone or something else. But this is basically it. I mean, it's very simple. However, I do have to say that instantly the moment I opened it and I held it in my hands, I thought like, wow, okay, this is like some top-notch stuff. I've never had the pleasure of reviewing a purple product in the past. So this is a nice first for me. It looks simple, it looks traditional, but it's not like any other traditional pillow. I can tell instantly the material is so different. The outer material is called lyocell. I believe it is a blend. Yeah, it is, I believe 60% lyocell and then 40% nylon fiber. And the intrinsic qualities of the outer cover is to actually be thermoregulating and moisture wicking. So that's really helpful for anyone that sleeps hot. As far as adjusting the loft is concerned, they tell you right over here that for a softer pillow, you keep the zippers open, and for a firmer pillow, you keep them closed. And for anyone out there who is a skeptic and they're really not sure if they're gonna get what they want out of this pillow, I think a really nice feature here and a nice promise is that they're giving a 100-night trial. So if you find that you hate it, you can totally return it and get your money back. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. I'm definitely curious and I'm looking forward to seeing what this is all about. So to start, I'm gonna try the pillow out with the zippers closed, which is supposed to give it a more firmer feel. So my first impression of this is that it feels nice. Feels nice. I don't even know how else to explain it. It really can be summed up, I think, in just one word. Part of me feels that the ability to adjust firmness by changing the, by pulling a zipper, I feel like it is a bit of a gimmick, and I don't know if it's legitimately true. Can it be so? All right. That's supposed to be the firmer feeling one. Now, let's try this out. That's so weird, holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, it actually makes a difference. This is the weirdest thing on the planet. So I really didn't think it was gonna make any kind of difference. I really did not think it'd make any kind of difference at all. Jesus Christ. This is out of control. It's out of control if you ask me. I think it is. Oh my god, how can something so simple make such a difference? Oh my god. That is the weirdest thing ever. I have to go back to the, oh my god, there's no way. All right, I'm zipping up the sides again because I need to see if I'm just seeing things, feeling things, whatever. Am I delusional? I hope not. That is so bizarre. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my god, it actually makes a difference. This is insane. I don't know what to say. Wow. So perhaps I shouldn't be so shocked considering who's behind the creation of such an odd thing, odd invention, I guess we can say. But this is the weirdest thing I've ever experienced doing these types of reviews. Wow. This one stands out a lot to me. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I was really thinking that, I don't know, it kind of sounds like BS. Can it really be that it makes such a significant difference? But it does, and it is the weirdest thing ever. Oh my god. It is so bizarre. Oh my gosh. Like, I like the company Purple, but I was kind of thinking to myself, do we really need a traditional pillow from a company like this? I mean, come on, they're known for doing things like in the most opposite way possible. Like, do we really need a traditional kind of pillow from Purple of all companies? And I thought, I guess it doesn't hurt, I guess it doesn't hurt if you're shopping for a mattress and let's say, you're gonna be sharing it with your partner and you're gonna buy a pillow at the same time and like you want the Purple pillow, but they really like a more traditional pillow. So it's kind of cool, you can buy everything in the same place. But I really couldn't help but think, like, do we really need like another traditional kind of pillow? But this is just so weird, man. I don't even know what to say. I mean, I'm genuinely shocked. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm kind of left with no words in a really good way. And maybe that doesn't help you. But you saw my reaction. I'm still really surprised. I was not expecting it. I feel kind of fooled and tricked because I can't help but think, like, how can something so simple make such a difference? I just kind of want to, I feel like I saw a magic trick and I want to know how it was done. And so I don't know. I just don't know. I think it's really cool. I think it's really neat. I think for the price, it's worth the laugh. And if you actually need a pillow, I think, this is kind of a cool thing to check out. I'd have to say that I feel like the market is really saturated when it comes to those pillows where it's like, oh yeah, it's customizable, you can adjust the loft. All you have to do is open a zipper and take some of the stuffing out. I mean, any kind of pillow can really be customizable unless you have like a fully like solid piece of foam like that. If you really want to start tearing that apart, I guess you could take a slice off of it, but You know, I feel like the market is just so incredibly saturated with those types of customizable foam pillows where it's like shredded foam, you have to, you know. I think something like this is cool. You know, I can't help but think like, thank you for doing something different. It's really nice, it's really refreshing. I'm happy to say there's actually not a gimmick. I really thought it was going to be, but it's not. I don't know how they did it. I want to know. I'm sure it's a trade secret. I'm sure I'll never find out, but that's okay. That's how they secured their assets. And hey, Purple, keep up the good work. Please keep surprising us. We need a company like you in this industry. So please keep doing weird stuff. Please keep coming out with your ridiculous commercials. I love them, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. Well, it's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this video to be insightful. If you'd like to learn more about the Purple Plush pillow, there will be a full written review on the Sleep Sherpa website, so be sure to check that out. And I'll see you guys next time for more pillow reviews.